We're back, Betty Bunny and me, and we are going to do a very short phonics lesson introducing our first letter for this week. There will be two, and I am having some difficulty bringing up the Heidi song video. I am so sorry, but I did manage to find our poster and our freeze card. So I'm going to go ahead and turn to that now so that you can see it. So here we have our letter this week is the letter X. And if you can say X with me, X, and the sound is X, X, X. And we have in front of us a picture of an X-ray, and that's what we're going to be looking at with our poem, our poster, in just a moment. But before we do that, I would like to practice some words with the sound X. So if you can repeat after me, 6, box, axe. And there are not too many words that have the letter X in them. So now we're going to turn and take a look at our poetry poster. And we're going to have a narrator read the poem to you. All right, here we go.
Max. Max, you need an X-ray, said kind Dr. Fox. I'll have to fix the bone you broke by falling on a box. Dr. Fox said to Max, you need an X-ray now. I'll have to fix the foot you broke by falling over cow.
Whoops!
All right, I hope you enjoyed that poem. And we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to mark on our poster today. So we're going to be looking for all of the words that have an X in them. So our first one, of course, is Max. And I think I'm going to go ahead and just underline it. So we see X is at the end of the word. And then we have Max here. And then we have X-ray. And then under Fox, we have an X at the end. Fix. Box. Oops. And then Fox over here. And Max again. X-ray. Fix. And that's it. So I'd like you to read these words with me, the ones that have an X in them. So just repeat after me. Max, X-ray, Fox, Fix, Box. And that's pretty much all of the words that end with X. So one more time, we're going to go ahead and just read the poem, and I'm going to read it with you, and you may follow along and read with me at home. It's titled Max. Max, you need an X-ray, said kind Dr. Fox. I'll have to fix the bone you broke by falling on a box. Dr. Fox said to Max, you need an X-ray now. I'll have to fix the foot you broke by falling over cow. Moo! And that's the end of our lesson today on the letter X. I am going to do a little poem with you now titled Hey Diddle Diddle. So I think we've done this before, and it goes like this. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sport, and I forgot what it is. And the something ran away with the spoon. You probably remember the poem better than I do, boys and girls. So what we're going to just practice today is the syllables of the words that are in that poem. So the first one is the word diddle. Everyone repeat diddle after me. Diddle. And if we clap it, diddle, we have 2 syllables in the word diddle. We also have the other part of the poem, which is fiddle. Everyone say fiddle with me. Fiddle, and now clap it. Fiddle. 2 syllables. And so I have just a few more words that were in the poem, and one of them was funny. So clap funny. Funny is also 2 syllables. And we have children. Children. 2. And I have 2 more here that we're going to practice that are not in the poem, and they are apple, apple, pencil, pencil. 2. So I'll be sending a Word document today that's going to have a breakdown of what you might see on our pocket chart, that you can practice some of the words and some of the review words and sounds from last week and the week before. So be looking for that Word doc, and you can do some more practice with syllables on your own, and you can even write down some syllables, words, some 2-syllable words on a piece of paper if you would like for more practice. All right, so that concludes our phonics lesson today on X. I hope you had fun, and we'll see you next time.